Hello, welcome to DoubtNut. In this question given, if alpha beta are the roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then find the roots of the equation ax square minus bx into x minus 1 plus c into x minus 1 to the whole square is equal to 0 in the terms of alpha and beta. Okay, firstly, quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 and alpha beta are roots of the equation, then we know that alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Okay, and alpha into beta is equal to c by a. Okay, and we have to find the roots of this equation. Then equation is ax square bx x minus 1 plus c into x minus 1 to the whole square is equal to 0. Okay, firstly open this equation, then we can write ax square minus bx square minus minus plus bx plus c into x square plus 1 into c, only c, and minus 2x into c is equal to 0. Okay, and when we take x square common, x square, and x square, then we can write x square into a minus b plus c plus, and when we take x common, then x b minus 2c plus c is equal to 0. Okay, this is the quadratic equation, and when we compare, then the value of a is a minus b plus c, the value of b is b minus 2c, and the value of c is c. Okay, then we know that, since, let us assume the roots of this equation is p and q. P and q are the roots of equation. Okay, then p plus q is equal to minus b by a, and the value of b is minus b minus 2c upon a. The value of a is a minus b plus c. Okay, similarly p into q is equal to c by a, and the value of c is c, and the value of a is a minus b plus c. Then p plus q is equal to 2c minus b upon a minus b plus c. Okay, divided by a. Okay, then this can be written as 2 into c by a minus b by a upon a by a minus b by a plus c by a. Okay, and this can be written as 2 into the value of c by a is alpha into beta. Okay, minus b by a is equal to alpha into beta upon a by a is 1 minus b by a is equal to alpha plus beta, and the c by a is equal to alpha into beta. This is alpha plus beta. Okay, because minus b by a is plus alpha plus beta. Okay, and 2 alpha beta can be written as alpha into beta plus alpha into beta plus alpha plus beta upon 1 plus alpha plus, taking beta common, then 1 plus alpha. Consider only these two terms. Okay, and taking alpha common, then beta plus 1 and plus only this term, then taking beta common, alpha plus 1 upon 1 plus alpha 1 plus beta. Okay, okay, and when we break into the factor form, then p plus q is equal to alpha by 1 plus alpha plus beta by 1 plus beta. Okay, and when we compare, then we can write p is equal to alpha by 1 plus alpha and q is equal to beta by 1 plus beta. Okay, then p and q are the roots of the equation, and the value of p is equal to alpha by 1 plus alpha and q is equal to beta by 1 plus beta, and these are the roots of this equation. Thank you.